Hello everyone. I'm going to rank the YouTubers I'm subscribed to, but I got a Jacksucksatlife YouTube channels tier list and then added the other channels I'm subscribed to. So almost half of these will not be put in the tier list. So I'm gonna start with the Jacksucksatlife channels I am subscribed to. Jacksucksatlife goes in C tier. Turd Boy 420 goes in C tier. Jacksucksat Stuff goes in C tier. Pretty Woman Kitchen goes in C tier. And Jacksucksat Papa Pirate goes in C tier. Okay. And now, Grian, he goes in K tier. Same with Mumbo Jumbo. Good Times with Scar goes in T tier. Smallish Beans goes in K tier too. Aldi Shadow Lady goes in V tier. Camen 18 goes in K tier. Daniel Cal Drawings goes in K tier. Johnny Razor goes in T tier. Royal Pear goes in K tier. Solidarity, he goes in T tier. Phoenix X SC, he sucks. Wanna know why? It's like, yeah. Okay, the odd one's out. He goes in C tier. Haminations, he goes in K tier. Tommyinnit, Y tier. Jack and Jellyfy, he just gets T tier. Sorry. And Jaden Animations gets K tier. Well, there's my tier list. And if anyone is wondering which in C tier is my favorite, it's Jacksucksat. No, not Jacksucksat Stuff. It's Jacksucksat Papa Pirate. The best channel ever. And the best in K tier. I don't know. And in T tier, I will say Solidarity. And the bottom three, they're all at the top of their tiers.